Good morning everyone. Welcome to my online class. Today we will discuss about the exercise 5.3. In the previous class I have given the paperwork for the exercise 5.2. So today we will start the product of the fraction. Okay, all of you open your book. Let's start. So let's start. First question is find the product of the following. It means we have to just multiply. If we can cancel out any number, then you can, and if there is not any cancellation, then you just multiply the numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Okay, so in this question 7 by 9, 5 by 9, and for the cancellation we have to cancel only numerator denominator, or as like numerator denominator only, numerator and denominator are cancel out. Okay, so here 7 9 9 5, this is not cancelled. So first of all we have to multiply the 5 into 7, then 9 into 9. So answer will be 9 9 0 81 and 7 5 0 35. This is the answer. Okay, similarly you can do question number B. So here 52 26 15 20. So we can cancel the 26 and 52 by which number? 13. So 13 2s are 26, 13 4s are 52, and 15 and 20 we can cancel out by 5, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Okay, then again 2 2s are 4. So answer will be here 2 into 1 and here 2 into 4. So answer will be 3 1s are 3, 2 4s are 8. Okay, then you try the rest of this, and for this question number F 7, this is whole number, so there is 1 in the denominator. Okay, so there is 7 by 1, and do the cancellation like question number A and question number B. Okay, so try this question number up to H. Then come to the next question number 2. Write whether the reciprocal of the following would be proper or improper fraction. So reciprocal means the reverse of this fraction. So what is the fraction? 3 by 5. So if we reverse this fraction, so what will be the answer? 5 by 3. So here the question is reciprocals are whether proper or improper. If the question is proper, so if you reverse the fraction, then the reciprocal will be improper, isn't it? So here 3 by 5, this is proper. So if we reverse this fraction, that means 5 by 3. So this will be the improper fraction. This is improper. Okay, then 7 by 9. So if we reverse it, 9 by 7. So this is what? This is an improper fraction. Okay, 11. So 11 by 1, and reverse is 1 by 11. This is proper fraction. Okay, try this question number D, E and F. Okay, understood clearly? Then come to the question number 3. Find the quotients and of the following. That means we have to divide this equation. Okay, so let's start. I have already taught you about this division of fraction. Again I am repeating. Let's start. Okay, so the question is 5 by 4 divided by 10 by 8. So for this division we have to replace this division by multiplication. So 5 by 4 into, so if we write multiplication instead of division, then this will be reversed. That means 8 by 10. Okay, then you can cancel out 5 2s are 10 and 4 2s are 8. Again here 2 1s are 2. So answer will be 1. Okay, next question number Z. Here question number Z, 2 divided by 3, 2 by 3. So first of all you make it improper. So 2 divided by 3, 3 into 3 plus 2. So 2 divided by 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11 by 3. Then replace this division by multiplication. 2 into 3 by 11. Then here is 2 by 1 into 3 by 11. So there is no any cancellation from this number. So you just multiply numerator into numerator. 2 into 3. 2 3s are 6. 1 11s are 11. Okay, understood? So rest are for your homework. Try to do and show me. Okay. Next, come to the exercise 5.4. Simplify the following. All of you have already learned about the simple simplification that we have already applied the BODMAS rule. So here is similar. We have to follow this BODMAS rule. Okay. So I am giving you the question number C. So let's start. Okay. So the question is 2 4 by 5 into 1 3 by 7 divided by 1 3 by 4 into 1 1 by 7. Okay, first of all of you convert into improper fraction. 5 2 into 5 plus 4 into 1 into 7 plus 3 divided by 4 1 into 4 plus 3 into 7 1 into 7 plus 1. Okay, then 2 5s are 10 plus 1 plus 4 14 by 5 into 7 1s are 7 plus 3 10 by 7. Okay, divided by 4 1s are 4 plus 3 7 by 4 into 7 1s are 7 plus 1 8 by 7. Then you can cancel out. 5 2s are 10, 7 2s are 14. Similarly 4 2s are 8, 7 1s are 7. Okay, then 2 into 2 divided by 1 into 2. 2 2s are 4 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2. What will be the answer? 2. Okay, so the answer will be 2. I hope all of you have understood clearly about the simplification, and I will give you the question number D and E, and you have to do the question number A and B. Okay, so please try to understand and do the homework. Thank you. Have a good day.